how to get to Kling, you just go to video and you press here, Kling 3.0, and you're inside. Hey, I will show you how to use Kling. This is the type of videos we can make. I will upload a video to Kling, and then I will write something that I want to happen in the video. Follow the walking man. And here is the picture I made of a man that's walking in the forest. So you just write follow the walking man, and I can pick whatever, how many seconds I want, and the quality of the video I can make. And then I just press generate. And this is after I generated. I'm following the walking man, just like I said. Works every time. This is so good. This is another type of video you can make.